In this video, we will be installing the build and printer setup. Now insert the USB data stick provided by your site manager. It may take a few moments for the USB data stick to be detected. An information bubble may appear while Windows installs the USB driver software. Then you should be presented with a pop-up box. Select Open Folder to view files, and then double-click on menu.cmd. If the pop-up box does not appear, click Start, Computer, and select USB drive, and double-click on menu.cmd. As previously mentioned, the network and printers should have already been set up before running through this build process. Every USB stick has a printer configuration file which is used to install the printers onto the actual machine. This configuration file only needs to be updated once with your site printer configuration details. If the printer configuration has already been done, you can skip the following step. However, if this is the first install for this USB stick, please press 1 and then hit enter. This will open a text file listing all the printers that are to be installed onto the machine when the build is run. Please consult with your site manager for what the printer names and IP addresses should be. The last printer in the list is the default printer. This may be useful if you need to set a different printer for different areas and users. To update the file, overtype the printer name and IP address provided by your site manager and click File, Save, and then close the file. Please not use any special characters or spaces when assigning printer names. For the purpose of this training, the printer file has already been updated. Now we can run the build. Type 2 and enter. Now the Aimar build, the printer configuration, and other settings are being installed from the USB stick. Please wait for the build to complete. When the build has finished, you'll be presented with a prompt to press any key to continue. Please press a key to return back to the menu. You have now finished installing the build. Press 6 and then hit enter to exit the menu. Now restart the machine from the start menu, click shutdown and then restart. Please remove the memory stick as the Aimar build and printer configuration is now complete.